Some cricket news now. Jamaican West Indies all-rounder Andre Russell is chastising the government's handling of cricket after Jamaica lost the Caribbean Premier League franchise, the Tallawahs, as well as their refusal to bid for the upcoming T20 World Cup. The 35-year-old is also conscious about the long-term impact on emerging local players.
It may have reached a stage of much ado about nothing, now seeing that decisions made in 2023 regarding cricket on the island from the government might already be taking its toll. There will be no T20 World Cup games in Jamaica this year after the government refused to bid. But at the back end of the year, another dagger was landed when the former Jamaica Tallawahs owners resold the franchise rights to the CPL, citing lack of support and investment from the government. Former Tallawahs captain Andre Russell, who is now with the Trinbago Knight Riders, feels the nation has been left stumped.
With no cricket playing in Jamaica, it's just sad. A historic ground, such a proper facility, good batting wicket, good for bowling, and then CPL won't be here. I just think it's very sad for the island. I can't express how disappointed I am to know that not even 2 World Cup games won't be here as well. And I think the government has to do something about this.
Government should put in something in their budget way ahead of time to assist cricket. We don't have a big spectatorship now. So government has to and must. That is why cricket is dying. And I think it's very poor on their behalf.
And in Russell's eyes, there is a double standard.
They need to look into certain things. They can't support other sports and just forget about cricket. We have produced some of the best players in the world, Test cricket, T20 and all of that. So I think I'm very disappointed in all these things that's happening.
Krishmar Santoki, who has taken 85 CPL wickets in his 7 years, is also worried for the emerging players in Jamaica who will be on the outside.
It will be disappointed that there's no more Jamaica Tallawah, because the brand Jamaica, we represent Jamaica and would like to see a franchise out there playing as Jamaica. But I guess there's other issues behind that we don't know of. So good luck to the franchise going forward. It is beyond our control. So it is what it is, and we just have to move forward.
It's very disappointed enough, that a 3-time champion, don't have a franchise. It's very disappointing to see that we move into Antigua. It's heartbreaking.
Definitely harder, because if cricket is not playing here and the exposure not happening, I think it's going to be difficult. A guy would just have to know that they have to work twice as hard to get in that system.
Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.